prove this identity. So first we'll make the denominator same to add these. So the denominator part will become 1 minus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta, and the numerator will become 1 multiplied by 1 plus sine theta, so it will remain 1 plus sine theta, and similar 1 multiplied by 1 minus sine theta, it will remain 1 minus sine theta. If we simplify it, we'll get 2 upon 1 plus sine theta minus sine theta minus sine square theta. So plus sine theta and minus sine theta will cancel out. So 1 minus sine square theta is what is left. Now if we remember that 1 is equal to cos square theta plus sine square theta. If we shift sine square theta to this side, we'll get 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta is equal to cos square theta. We can simply write that 2 upon cos square theta, which is proved. Now the B part says hence solve this equation. Now in the A part we saw that 1 plus 1 gave us 2 because plus sign and minus sign cancelled out. So similarly 3 plus 3 will give us 6, and 6 upon cos square theta is equal to 12. Now if we shift the sides, we'll get 6 upon 12 is equal to cos square theta, which is equal to half is equal to cos square theta, and square root of half is equal to cos theta. So we'll get 4 answers of theta according to their best regions, which is theta is equal to 45, theta is equal to 135, theta is equal to 315, and theta is equal to 225.